Kill him now. Show them no mercy. Getting all the assist points. What are you talking about? I'm healing an erecting. I'm healing a throbbing blood tube. Fornication. We're going. Let's keep on going. This hype train doesn't stop. This hype train doesn't stop at no union regulated brakes. Are you kidding me? We're just gonna keep on moving. There are no brakes on this hype train. Let's go. No brakes. Only hype. Why is this working? Why is this working? Keep on going. There's no need in stopping. Ah. Also, I like how the shells are just like kind of floating. That really adds to my that really adds my my immersion. It's really building up here. Holy crap, are we actually going to like what is happening? Why is this working? Also, why does this have any justification in working? No, this hype train does not end. We have no brakes. Therefore, we must not stop. I'm gonna heal you real quick. Alright. Oh! The hype train has no brakes, though, so we're continuing off. How many healing points? 1,010. Only in one round. Oh no, my